Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Today I'm going to make a drink that I've made before. A little bit of variation in it. Trying to eliminate the food dye. I don't like that. So I've introduced some beer, blue curaçao. And a little bit more rum. Brings it to 23%. Blue Hawaiian. So let's get started. I'm going to use Ron Zacapa, 23-year-old Solera. 2 of those. It's one of my favorite drinks. And 1 Green Chartreuse. 110 proof. Good stuff. And 1/4 Clement Creole Shrubb. 1/4. And then to make this thing blue, instead of dye, which I think is antifreeze, put 1/4 blue curaçao. Much better. And 1.5 pineapple juice. The usual fresh pressed, sometime in the past. And 1 lime juice. Persian. As opposed to key lime. And 3/4 Liqueur toasted coconut. This has a really good flavor. That toasted makes all the difference. 3/4. Coconut lumps in there. And 1/4 Kalani. This is coconut liqueur. Instead of putting more syrup, this is a little bit less syrup. 1/4. Okay. I'm going to whip that. A couple of kids here. Got a bamboo glass ready to receive it. About 30. And 5 dashes Angostura. 5 drops of Pashaz. Straw. And a couple of cherries. This is the Blue Hawaiian, 23%. Hope you like it. Beautiful drink. If you're in the mood to subscribe, there's a brown icon right there. And we'll see you next time.